welcome back to a No Limit Drag Racing video. And I just made this Golf Nova. It took me a while. I was originally going to do the other car, but then I was like, you know what? I don't want that car anymore. So I decided to choose this Nova. I made the NHRA decal and the Golf decal and the SS decals all by myself without even being a member. So like the video if you like the car. So let's do a test and tune real quick. This is not that fast, but the only thing I did was beat my cousin in a race. It's a twin turbo car. I like blower cars, like Pro Church cars, a lot more, but I decided to go turbo. So we're in a 6.813. So here, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Wait. Okay, I joined a race with my cousin. Let's see who wins this race. Okay, yeah. Okay, it is recording. Okay, that's how I record my videos down there, that orange thing, so if you were wondering at least. Oh! Wow! My cousin got her car. Oh, is he a hacker? No, she is not a hacker. She is not a hacker. Wow. Okay, let's try out a different car. Well, you know what? Let's try to do it. Yeah, here. I don't know if I'm gonna win in this car though. It's really slow. A 4-stage turbo versus 4-stage nitrous. That is really. I really don't like running against nitrous cars. Okay. We'll line it up. Let's see if we can take the win. Ooh. Oh, yep, knew it. This thing isn't really a comeback car. It's really just get it and go car. So I lost. Oof. But let's see. Let's go get a different car. This one. Okay, it's a 2-stage blower versus a 4-stage nitrous. I am the 4-stage nitrous this time, though. So I have a chance. Oh, got a call. And I go. What happened there? Okay, let's replay. It's like I didn't even do a wheelie. Yeah, my wheels are starting to get low. So here, let's just try this one. This will be the last race of the video. Please, if you already liked the video, please do go ahead. It really helps me out. It makes me feel good too. So doing the burnout. Okay, here we go. And we're off, and I red light. For the last race of the video, I red light. Man, I'm getting better at racing, but I just haven't won a race today. You know what? Re-racing them. I'm re-racing them. I said I was going to be the last race. It wasn't. I lied. I need to win a race on video. Is it because I'm on video? Is that why I'm not winning? I don't know. Okay, we got this. We got this. Yeah, we got this. We got this. We can beat him. We can beat him. Okay, I got a fast car. He don't. Do not red light. Okay, I didn't red light. Let's go. We're leaving. Go. And we got the win. Got the win. If you haven't already, well, I already said like the video, but I'll see y'all next time.